Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about Tozo S3 Smartwatch, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the watch with a small band, a charging cable, and a user manual. Charge your watch. To charge your Tozo S3, just bring the charging cable close to the back of the watch and it'll snap into place magnetically. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug it into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. A 12-minute charge gives you up to 24 hours of battery life. For a full charge, it'll take about 2.5 hours. Set up with app. Search for Tozo Health in your mobile app store and download, or scan the QR code on the right to install the app. Open the app, tap the See by More icon in the upper right corner, select Add Device, select the device category, and select the device you wish to link in the corresponding search list. You may also link the device directly by scanning the device's QR code using the scan function. Basic operations. Make sure that the bottom sensor is properly attached to the skin. Supports full-screen touch operations. AccuFit Lite has a physical button. Short press, return, or close a notification. Function overview. You can switch between dials with dial settings, and you can download and install more dials in the dial market. There are 100 sports types. You can choose 10 commonly used ones to display on the watch. Swipe up or down to select an icon. The icons include message, health data, workout, heart rate, stress, blood oxygen monitor, SpO2, sleep, relax, music, time, and settings. Compatible with voice calls with features such as dial, answer, mute, and reject calls. It supports viewing the daily accomplishment of the following info: steps, calories, distance, and activity. It supports measuring your heart rate anytime or viewing the daily monitoring data. After you start the stress measurement app, you should keep your arms and wrists still during the measurement. Blood oxygen monitor, SpO2. You can view the most recent sleep record and sleep status at each stage. Enter the Relax app and choose the duration. A stopwatch and a timer are provided. The watch can be set to add, delete, turn on, or off the alarm. You can set a timer with a preset duration on the watch. Supports 3-day weather viewing. Also had music control function. You can view your recent exercise records on the watch. In settings, you can set different settings. The watch supports multiple reminder modes, including message reminder, incoming call reminder, low power reminder, health reminder, alarm reminder, etc. Key features: IP68, dust and water resistance, professional health management, HD color touch screen display, seamless Bluetooth calling, 24-hour heart rating monitoring, stress level measurement, Bluetooth connectivity and wide compatibility, smart message notification, blood oxygen saturation monitoring. Specifications? That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Tozo Sense. See you in the next one.